Understanding discounted goods, a simple guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to explore a common phrase in the English language, discounted goods. This phrase is often used in shopping and commerce, and understanding it can be really helpful, especially if you're interested in finding good deals. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and use of discounted goods. Discounted goods refers to products that are sold at a reduced price. The original price of these items is lowered, usually because the store wants to sell them more quickly. This could be due to various reasons like clearing out inventory, seasonal sales, or promotional events. The important thing to remember is that discounted goods are cheaper than their usual price. Understanding why goods are discounted can help you make better shopping decisions. Common reasons include clearance sales, when stores need to clear old stock to make room for new products. Seasonal discounts, special prices during certain times of the year, like holiday sales. Overstock, when a store has too much of a particular item, they might reduce the price to sell it faster. Promotional offers, sometimes, discounts are used as a marketing strategy to attract more customers. When shopping, you can identify discounted goods by looking for price tags. Often, the original price is crossed out with the new, lower price shown. Signs and banners. Stores typically advertise discounts through signs in store and online. Special sections. Some stores have dedicated areas for clearance or sale items. Buying discounted goods can be beneficial as it allows you to save money. The most obvious benefit is the cost savings. Try new products. Reduced prices can encourage you to try products you wouldn't normally buy. Bulk buying. Discounts often make it more affordable to buy in bulk. However, be mindful of a few things. Quality. Ensure the products are not discounted due to quality issues. Need versus want. Just because something is discounted doesn't mean you need it. Expiration dates. Particularly important for perishable goods. I hope this video has helped you understand what discounted goods are and how you can benefit from them. Remember, being a smart shopper means knowing when to take advantage of discounts, but also being aware of why they are offered. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.